Next, fifth question. What is input? Answer. Any order which is given by user to computer. What is input device? Answer. Input device is a hardware parts or peripheral device used to send data to a computer. Therefore, what is the input device? Number one is scanner. Number two, keyboard. Number three, mouse. Number four, webcam. Number five, mic. These are also input devices. Next one is output device. What is output? Answer of input are known as output. ఓకే, మనం ఏం ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తామో దానికి తగిన విధంగానే అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేదాన్ని అవుట్పుట్ అంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్ ఈజ్ ఏ హార్డ్వేర్ parts and peripheral device used to produce result from the computer. So lot of is there output device: webcam, speaker, microphone, monitor, printer, headphone. That's all. These are all output device. This is all output devices. What is memory? Memory is a device which stores data like audio, video, photos, and numbers, text, any etc. How many types of memory? There are two types of memory. Number one, primary memory, secondary memory. What is a primary memory? This is the main memory of the computer which stores the data temporarily. It is directly associated with the CPU. Primary memory is also known as internal memory. What is secondary memory? Secondary memory is a type of memory which stores the data permanently. It is used to store large data from future use. So secondary memory is also known as external memory.